In this video, we will cover some numerical for the BFM, that is the haircut based numericals. Haircut based numerical that are from the credit risk, that is your chapter of credit risk. See friends, what is the very first? We'll take some easy numerical. Very first is the C, so that you can come to know what is the actual concept of haircut and how to solve that numerical. See, in the first example, what they are saying, an exposure of 100 lakh. An exposure of 100 lakh is backed by a lien of fixed deposit of 30 lakh. There is no maturity mismatch, and you have to find the exposure. You have to find exposure for the capital adequacy. What is the exposure for the capital adequacy? That is the haircut, basically. See friends, very simple. That means you have given a loan of 100 lakh, and for that loan you have taken as a security of FD of 30 lakh from the customer. So what will be the exposure for the capital adequacy? That you have to find. That is nothing but the haircut. So friends, see here, both they have given that there is no maturity mismatch. No maturity mismatch means what? Suppose loan is given for 3 years and FD is also for the 3 years. Then there is no maturity mismatch. That means maturity factor MF will be 0. As there is no maturity mismatch, MF will be 0 and HFX will be 0. What is HFX friends? When the both loan and your collateral both are in same currency, that time you can say when there is only one currency is used in the numerical, you can say there is HFX, that is forex factor. HFX is 0. HFX will be 0. So how to solve that type of numerical? See friends, in first example, what we have to find the capital exposure to the capital adequacy. See friends, C is nothing but your collateral. The collateral is 30 lakh. So what you have to find? You have to find very first is the C star. What is C star? C star is nothing but your adjusted security, adjusted collateral. Adjusted collateral is nothing but the main collateral C and multiplied by this factor. What is this factor? This is 1 minus HC. HC means what is your haircut on the collateral, and HFX means haircut on the forex. Here for MF is 0. That's why there is no haircut on the fixed deposit. HFX is also 0. That's why there is no forex transaction here. So that's why HFX will be 0. So simply your adjusted collateral will become your the same collateral as it is, right? So C star will become a C, that is 30 lakh. So simply, what is exposure? It is nothing but the total loan minus your adjusted collateral. So E minus 100 is your loan amount and 30 is the adjusted collateral. So your exposure will be 30 lakh. So 30 lakh will be the net exposure for the qualifying for the capital adequacy. Very, very important. So simply friends, see, suppose you have given a loan of 100 lakh, simply in simple words, and you have taken FD of 30 lakh. If there is no maturity mismatch, you can easily say, orally say, there is exposure of 30 lakhs. There is exposure of 30 lakhs for the capital adequacy. In simple words, they are asking this type of numerical 2 mark. You can orally solve. You don't need a formula to solve that. You can orally solve because there is no maturity mismatch, right? So you can easily and orally solve. So this is the basic example. See another basic example here. See, exposure of 100 lakh. That means loan of 100 lakh is backed by state government. It is backed by the state government. And amount is full amount is backed, means almost 100 lakh is backed by the state government with no maturity mismatch. There is also no maturity mismatch. It's very good. Then what will be the net exposure qualifying for the capital adequacy? That is the same question they are asking, but here we was having the 30 lakh of FD as a collateral, but here there is no collateral. So friends, remember, when there is no collateral, the exposure will be 100%, right? So if you put the values in the formula, you will get answer as 100% when there is no collateral. When there is no collateral, the exposure will be 100%, right? So that can frame a question of MCQ type question also. So friends, here if you want to go by the formula, see exposure is 100 lakh, total loan amount 100 lakh, and no maturity mismatch. That means they are dealing in the same currency, so HFX will be 0, maturity factor will be 0 as there is no maturity mismatch. Then your new capital collateral adjusted will be C into that 1 minus HFX minus HC. So both the values are 0, so just here C will become your C star will become your C, right? So when C star is equal to C, when C star is equal to C, see here, when your C star is equal to C and it is backed by a full amount by the government, you can think that there is zero risk. The risk is 0, but as it is backed by the government. But remember here, for calculating the capital adequacy exposure, you need to take a formula and full amount it should be under the exposure, because there is a no collateral, so this is a tricky question. This is not a hard question, this is tricky question for your 2 marks, right friends? So we will move to the actual numerical so that you come to know how to use the formulas. See friends, here an exposure of 100 lakh is backed by financial collateral of A plus debt security of 30 lakh. That means loan is 100 lakh is given and security is 30 lakh, right? Tenure of exposure, that means loan is for 3 years. The residual maturity of the financial collateral is 2 years, and for the collateral maturity is 2 years. That means there is a maturity mismatch. You come to know. Okay, next, haircut of A plus debt security of a 3 year is 6%. That is provided. Okay, find the haircut adjusted on the collateral value. We have to find the haircut adjusted on the collateral value. So see friends, very first, what is the haircut C star? What is the C star? C star is C into 1 minus HC minus HFX. As here is they are dealing in same currency, so HFX value will become a 0. That means C star you can easily calculate, because haircut, that is HC on they have given is 6%, right? So just put value of HC as 6. So capital is 30 lakhs, because 30 lakh is taken as collateral is 30 lakh they have given. So 30 into 1 minus 6%. So just put the value 30 into 1 minus 6%. So remove the percentage sign, divide by 100. So you will get 30 into 0.94. And when you solve it, you will get a C star value is 28.2. Okay. Now see friends, after calculating C star, what you have to calculate is the actual amount that you are going to reduce from the exposure amount. That is actual haircut. See, it is nothing but the C star into maturity mismatch, because there is a maturity mismatch. So we must consider the value of collateral by the maturity mismatch, right? See here, they have what is the maturity mismatch factor? Remember, maturity mismatch factor is T minus 0.25, and in the denominator also T minus 0.25. This is the maturity mismatch factor. So they may ask for a 2 or a 1 mark numerical. They will give the same numerical and just ask you calculate the maturity mismatch factor, that is MF factor. So that time you need to consider only this formula, that is T minus 0.25 and capital T minus 0.25. Remember, the small t is for the your collateral, and for the capital T is for your loan exposure. So small t value they have given, that is 2 years, that is collateral is for 2 years, and capital the loan is for the 3 years. So 3, just put the value. C star we have already calculated, just put the value and solve it. You will get P is the 17.176. that is your haircut, right? So what is the amount that you should consider for the capital adequacy? Exposure to the capital adequacy. Exposure to the capital adequacy is nothing but your 100 minus 17.76. 100 is what? Your total exposure. Total exposure minus your adjusted collateral. It is 17.76. So you will get 82.24 lakh should be considered as exposure for the capital adequacy. So okay friends, that means in this numerical you come to know all the important things that you need to calculate for the exposure to the capital adequacy. Next, in simple words, see in other words I will explain you in other words, in simple language. See what they have given. They have given exposure of 100 lakhs and they have what we have to calculate. We have to calculate the exposure to the total net exposure. In simple words, net exposure we have to calculate. So how can we calculate? Simply here we can see here net exposure we have to calculate, right? So what is that? It is nothing but the total exposure minus some value that we are having. So what is total exposure? Loan is nothing but total exposure. This is 100 minus we have to subtract some value, that is we are having as a collateral value simply. So that we have to finally find out. So what is see here, loan is also given for 3 years and collateral also given for the only 2 years. That means there is a maturity mismatch. So MF, that is maturity factor, that I have already explained you, that is calculated using the formula T minus 0.25 divided by capital T minus 0.25. Just put the value, you will get maturity factor as 0.63. 0.63 you will get maturity factor. Remember, what after that? You need to calculate what? See here. Once you calculate the maturity factor now, that means that factor is what? For what? That factor is reducing your collateral value. That is reducing your collateral value. Basically, remember, it is always reducing your collateral value, and ideally it should be 1. And when it will become 1, when there is a no maturity mismatch, right? So we can say ideally it should be less, as it should be ideally it should be low. Once it is low, or when it will become a 1, you can say your value, that is adjusted collateral, will become C star into 1. So there will be no requirement for the calculation of the adjusted collateral. So see here friends, once you calculate the maturity factor now, after that, see here, they have given haircut HSC, that is for 3 years, that is 6%, right? So what we have to calculate? C star. C star is C into 1 minus HSC. So HSC value they have given 6%. Just put the value, you can calculate the C star. So when you calculate the maturity factor, just multiply both the values, right? That means maturity factor and the C star. When you multiply, you will get adjusted collateral, and final haircut you will come to know that will be your haircut amount. That is your haircut amount, 17.76. But your total exposure, that is net exposure to the for the capital adequacy will be total exposure minus haircut values, right? So total exposure is 100 lakh here, minus when you calculate that adjusted collateral value, you will get 17.76, right? And when you solve this, you will get net exposure will be your 82.2 lakh. So this is in this fashion also you can remember. Once you come you go through the video and you come to know what is the actual concept, you in simple words, see here, in simple words, to calculate net exposure, what you have to, you need C star. Very first you need C star, second you need P, and third you can easily calculate net exposure, that is your total exposure minus adjusted collateral value. There are 3 things and 3 steps you have to follow. Just remember that 3 steps, and using that 3 steps you can solve any numerical. Okay, now we will move to the next important numerical, and this is tricky numerical, very important. See, they have given exposure, that is loan is exposure is 100 lakh rupees, and is backed by some financial collateral of NSC of 30 lakh. It is backed by NSC of 30 lakhs, and there are 2 collateral values, and at debt security issued by other, that is 50 lakh. Other security is 50 lakh. That means they are backed by 2 collateral. Very first is the NSC of 30 lakh, and second is the 50 lakh rupees of other security. See, exposure of tenure is 3 lakhs. That means loan is given for 3 years, and collateral maturity, that is for collateral, is available only for the, is also available for the 3 years. That means there is no maturity mismatch. There is no maturity mismatch. That means EMF factor will be 0, right? Okay, fine. See here friends, what we have to do, we have to find the total haircut. Actually, what is the, because they have given 2 collateral, right? One is the NSC and other is the security issued by others, like 50 lakh and 30 lakh. So we have to find the percentage of the collateral value. See, they have given NSC of 30 lakh, NSC of 30 lakh, right? And what they are saying, haircut on NSC is 2%. So 30 into 2%, that is the amount of haircut on the NSE. Second, see, haircut on debt security on another collateral, haircut collateral is given is 6%. So 6 into 50, because amount of other secured collateral is 50 lakh. So 6 into 50, you will get 2% of 30 is 0.6, and 6% of 50, that is 50% of 6, you will get 3. So 3.6 lakh is your nothing but the total haircut. That is the total haircut. So what will be the percentage of haircut? The see, total loan is 100 lakh. So haircut percentage will be that is 3.6 lakh is your haircut. So 100 out of 3.6. So in percent is nothing but your, see, 3.6 lakh your total haircut for the collateral, and 100 lakh is total exposure. So percentage is 3.6%. So net value will be, when you divide by 100 to remove the percentage sign, you will get 0.036. That's your HSE factor. Okay, see, what is the next task? Very first we have to calculate the, after doing, we have to calculate C star. We have to calculate C star. C star will be your C into 1 minus HC. HC we have already calculated. So C is your nothing but the loan, that is the collateral value. What is total collateral value? Total collateral value is 50 for the other deposit, other security, and 30 for the NSC. So total is 80. So total collateral is 80 lakhs. So 1 minus HC. So 1 minus SC we have already calculated, 0.036. When you solve this, you will get 80 into 0.964, that is 77.12 lakh. That is value of your C star. Okay, now what is next task? Next task is very simple, right? As there is no maturity mismatch, we don't need to calculate P here. P we don't need to calculate, as there is no maturity mismatch. Directly we can say the total exposure, that is net exposure required for the capital adequacy, will be 100 minus 77.12. So 22.88 will be the qualifying exposure for your capital adequacy. Okay friends, I think in this numerical is a very good numerical for your exam, because in this you have to calculate the HSE percentage. HSE percentage you need to calculate. So I think this type of numerical they will ask in the tomorrow's exam. So very all the best to all of you for your examination. And when you complete your examination, I request you go through any video. You have to go to any video of the banker zone and just comment what is your score for the BFM. Any video, on any video you can comment your score. Right, on any video you can comment your score, and very all the best to all of you for your examination. So thank you friends.